Greetings to all employer in Hong Kong. Ma'am, sir, good day. I am Milona Sildalasaga, 44 years old, from Panay, Santo Niño, South Cotabato. I am a single parent with 4 children. Their ages 21, 14, 13, and 10 years old. My educational attainment is a high school graduate. I have a working experience before here in the Philippines way back January 2021 to February 2022, serving 2 members. My duties and responsibilities are doing all household chores like washing and ironing clothes, cooking, cleaning, and taking care of their pet. I have a working experience also in Kuwait from April 27, 2022 to May 2, 2024 finished contract. My task there was taking care of my madam and her daughter's things like cleaning their rooms, washing and ironing their clothes, and preparing their breakfast for work. If you give me a chance to work with you, I assure you to be the best I can. I am also willing to learn all the things you want me to do regarding my task. Hope to see you soon. God bless.